Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. We're going to do our daily technical analysis of gold and silver, see what it's doing, walk through the dollar, 10-year, through a lot of the charts in terms of the prices, ETFs, and individual companies. Again, this is just my financial opinion. Please don't take it as advice. We're just looking at the markets, and I don't trade in and out of these companies. I'll just give you that full disclosure. I'm buying them, accumulating them, and holding on. My viewpoint is that we're in an expansionary phase of real estate. We're going to see the dollar drop. We're going to see inflation, and we're going to see interest rates go up. That's it in a nutshell. So here we go. We'll jump in here, and I'll give you my opinion on what the charts say. So first, we're going to look at the dollar and gold. Dollar went higher today. Gold sideways. Again, gold is looking strong in comparison to the dollar. Usually when you see a strong dollar, you see pretty bad, a lot of weakness in gold. And we didn't see that today. So that's good. We've got the US dollar. It did this like false breakout to the upside, and it looks like we're charging back lower. We did go up today and end at 93.79. So we are right at this, basically right at the resistance level. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. Looking at the 10-year continues to climb higher, 2.44%. Just trying to see if I see any patterns in here or anything. I don't see anything. So that's still climbing. Here's gold. Let's throw natural gas on it. Yeah. No, we got this trend line coming down here. We broke that. And I'm looking for a move higher here. We had a small down day today. Really nothing to write home about. We're above the trend line. We haven't gotten smacked down below it yet. We're in an uptrend with higher lows. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Gold. Go for the gold. Silver's looking good. We broke the downtrend line. I didn't draw it in there, but we have a small down day today. Nothing to worry about, in my opinion, in the short term. And platinum, again, another small down day. Today we could head a little bit lower. We've got one big down day and two small up days. We could go back and forth before moving up, but overall it doesn't look too bad. We broke the downtrend here just to show you what it looks like. We broke that downtrend there, so that's broken. And whatever we do next doesn't really matter. I think the trend will be higher. Copper got a little bit of a sell-off today. Well, actually a big sell-off today. We could head back and retest its breakout line. And that's pretty normal. I think we could potentially head back here before moving on higher. So we break out, retest, and then we go. GDX is doing the same thing. Are we going to retest or just move on higher? Good question. I don't have the answer for you, but we broke the downtrend. That's the good thing. We got up here. Even if we come back a little bit, I think the trend will be higher. Remember, I'm saying trend. I'm not saying that we're going to go up every single day. That's not what I'm saying. It's the trend is higher. And we're seeing that in SILJ as well. The trend, I think, will be higher from here on out. Endeavor Silver, I think once we break this $5 mark, we're in a new uptrend. That's looking fantastic. Bullish engulfing at the bottom here. We just got to break this $5 mark. And it's right there trying to do it. First Majestic looks like it's trying to peek its head through this area in here, get a nice little move on up, I think, after we pass that resistance at the $13 level. Metallic Minerals, we broke the downtrend. That's the big key there, is the break of the downtrend. It could go down a little bit, maybe not. But usually when you break the downtrend, we'll see a nice, smooth uptrend, hopefully. Here's Aftermath Silver, downtrend break. We've done kind of almost a double bottom here, triple bottom actually, 1, 2, 3. We've got a bullish engulfing, small little down day today. I think we're going to be heading higher here at any second. That's what I think, with this bullish engulfing pattern and the bullish piercing pattern. Here is Koya Silver, another one, downtrend break. We're still above the downtrend. I think we're going to trend higher. Tootin Resources, downtrend break. We're coming back a little bit to do like a retest, and then I think we'll move on higher. And it's like that for all these. EMX royalty, downtrend break. We could head lower first and then move on up. We call that a retest. Franco Nevada is already moving up. 1.64, looking good to move higher. I like it. And Wheaton Precious Metals putting in I could say this is a bullish piercing to probably move on higher. Uptrend. Newmont, we're looking at some of the big boys. And guys, I don't own all these companies. I'm just showing them to get a depiction of what's going on. And at the bottom here, we've got a bullish engulfing. We got nice big up day candlesticks in here, signaling that we're probably going to try to go up. We went up, small sell-off. I think we're going to head higher. We're entering an uptrend, I think, a new uptrend. Same with Barrick Gold. Here's your pattern going down. We broke to the upside. The sellers aren't womping it. They're tired. They're going to give in to the buyers. Buyers will push us higher eventually. And here's Platinum Group Metals, PLG. I know some people are watching this. We did break the downtrend line. We could come back or go sideways before moving on up. So patience. We're coming on back with Impala Platinum. Kind of a big hit today. And same with Anglo American Platinum. The big major diversified miners got hit pretty hard today, just in general. And here's COPX, just to show you an ETF. We've pulled on up. Now we're coming back. Again, this is kind of like that retest move before moving higher. And it may not come down anymore. Maybe it will. I don't really concern myself with the day-to-day movements. It's the downtrend break, the move higher, the pullback, and then the move higher. I'm not trading these things. I'm investing in them for over the next time. Or, I mean, it depends how you define it, but I'm holding for 5 years or so. And then we've got Nova Royalty. Again, we're coming up, we're pulling back, and then I think we'll see a move higher soon, very soon. So that's what I have for today. I wanted to talk about those. Everything looks good to me still. I don't see those sellers coming in here just, kicking butt, dropping everything. What we're seeing are small down days. Small down days, big buying pressure before it. I think it looks good to continue up. But that's my take on it. I do own some of the companies. Some of these companies I do not own. So I know some people, they may look at all the charts. I'm looking at this to get a wide array of the overall picture. What does this overall picture look like with big companies, middle companies, small companies, silver, gold? I'm just trying to get a good mix. Some of the ETFs, I don't own some of these ETFs. But I just want to get a mix. And most of the time with the money that I have in these types of companies, I swing for the fences. Otherwise, I'm putting it in physical precious metals. So that I've got a huge separation there. And my 401k is my lower risk kind of mutual fund type stuff. So 401k is mutual fund. The stuff outside of it is my higher risk, swing for the fences. And then I got a bunch in physical metals. Think of everything as 20%, 20%, and 20%. 20% physical metals, 20% swing for the fences, 20% 401k and all that. And then the rest is like real estate that I own. That's kind of my mix. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit click subscribe. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.